Computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS, are revolutionary. They can transform maintenance operations, but simply implementing a CMMS isn't enough. Without proper training, your CMMS investment will fall short. Imagine a high-performance sports car without driving lessons. You're likely to crash. Similarly, a CMMS without training leads to frustration and wasted resources. CMMS training empowers your team with the skills to navigate this powerful tool. With the right training, your team will maximize the system's capabilities, improving efficiency and reducing downtime. Invest in training and unlock your CMMS's true potential. CMMS training is tailored to your organization's needs. It covers essential aspects from basic navigation to advanced features. Training includes work orders, inventory, reports, and maintenance scheduling. Hands-on exercises ensure your team is confident and ready. Effective training leads to a proactive, data-driven maintenance operation. Imagine investing in a top-of-the-line CMMS but skipping training. Your team is left to fend for themselves, navigating a complex system. Confusion and frustration reign supreme, leading to misuse or non-use. Vital information goes unrecorded and data entry becomes inconsistent. The result? Missed maintenance tasks, equipment failures, and costly downtime. Instead of saving money and time, you end up wasting both. Inaccurate data leads to poor decision-making, hampering your ability to optimize maintenance strategies. Skipping CMMS training is a false economy, with initial savings overshadowed by long-term costs. Invest in training to avoid inefficiency and lost productivity. Investing in CMMS training is an investment in your organization's future. It empowers your team to work smarter, not harder. Training dramatically increases efficiency, reducing downtime and improving productivity. Better data leads to better decisions, with trained employees entering data consistently and correctly. This creates a goldmine of reliable information for trend analysis and informed decision-making. Training accelerates the onboarding process, reducing the learning curve for new hires. It boosts confidence and morale, leading to higher job satisfaction and a positive work environment. The benefits of CMMS training are numerous and impactful. Empower your team with the skills to maximize your CMMS. Reap the rewards of a well-trained workforce. CMMS training is not just for technicians or data analysts. It's for anyone who interacts with the system, directly or indirectly. Maintenance technicians need to know how to receive, update, and complete work orders. Supervisors and managers use the CMMS for planning, scheduling, and tracking maintenance activities. Data entry personnel ensure data integrity and reliability. Operations managers benefit from understanding how the CMMS improves asset performance. IT staff need training on the technical aspects of the CMMS. Providing training to all relevant personnel creates a culture of competency. Everyone understands their role in maintaining assets and using the CMMS effectively. To maximize your CMMS training investment, consider these tips. Choose a reputable provider offering customized training. Make training engaging with hands-on exercises. Provide ongoing support to refresh knowledge. Encourage feedback to improve training. Promote continuous learning and sharing. These tips maximize CMMS training effectiveness, leading to a skilled and confident workforce. Better data and efficient operations are the rewards. Invest in training for long-term success. In the world of maintenance, knowledge is power. CMMS training is the key to unlocking that power. By investing in comprehensive training, you equip your team with the skills to navigate the system effectively. This leads to improved efficiency, reduced downtime, and better data-driven decisions. Don't let your CMMS become another underutilized tool. Embrace the transformative power of CMMS training and reap the rewards. A well-trained team saves time, money, and headaches. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.